welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my Sephora Play unboxing, and I got like a little kind of sampley type thing in the mail, and I just wanted to share it with you. Super quick, it won't take that long. Play this month was a little bit later than normal, but that was probably my fault. My credit card expired, and my credit card company forgot to send me my new credit card, so I had to wait for that to come in the mail. All right, so this is the little pamphlet that comes in it. It is all zodiacs. Let's see, it is officially Beauty Scope, your 2019 Beauty Scope. Of course, it has the little card right here. If you make a purchase online or in store, you get 50 extra Beauty Insider points. Let me pull this out of the box. And this is what it looks like. I have looked inside. Not super thrilled with this one. Not super thrilled, but we'll get into that. There are a couple of things in here I do like, but overall, not my favorite box. This one, the first one I'm going to show you, is one that I'm very excited to try. This is the Sunday Riley Good Genes Lactic Acid Treatment. I just finished a Sunday Riley product. It was like the Tidal Cream, and I really liked that. I am hoping that I like this one just as much. So definitely excited to be trying this one. This next one, not super excited about. I've had it before in the last few months. This is the Marajo, however you pronounce it, shampoo and conditioner. It is the Nourishing Cleansing Cream and Deep Treatment Butter. There wasn't even enough in here for my hair then, and I have even more hair now, so yeah, I'm not thrilled with that one, but I digress. I got the Blender Cleanser. I think that's what it's called. It's written really tiny. It's a solid piece of soap for your beauty blender. I don't need special soap for that. I have regular soaps that work for that. I also got, if I can get it out of here, the Believe in Truth Aqua Bomb Sleeping Mask. I have gotten the Aqua Bomb twice, like the moisturizer, and my skin hates it. My skin hates it. It breaks out, and yeah, I'll probably be giving that one away or using it on my body. I'm not sure. I also got a, what is this? Lala Retro Whipped Cream Facial Moisturizer. So three skincare, a beauty blender soap, shampoo and conditioner samples. And this one I'm okay with. This is the Bite Beauty, whatever this is, some kind of lip pencil in glaze, however you say it. That is a color I will use, so I'm okay with that one. But all in all, I am very, very underwhelmed by this box. Some people may love it. I do like skincare, but I know the Belief is not good for my skin. My skin does not like it. And these two things right here are the only things that I'm really excited about in this box. I know I seem very ho-hum and down on it, but yeah, I am not impressed. After getting 3 lip products in December, now getting 3 skincare products, I wish they would mix it up a little bit more. It's not so much sameness in the same box. I think if they had given me, you know, 2 lip products and 2 skincare products in each instead of 3 and 3 or something, I don't know, it probably wouldn't have bothered me as much. Okay, I got this in the mail from Olay. They sent me samples. I'm more excited about these samples because, you know, I like Olay. This is what I got, the Olay Daily Facials, Daily Hydrating Clean. This is a 5-in-1 cleansing power of a makeup remover, scrub, toner, mask, and cleanser all in one. That's kind of cool. And the Olay Regenerist Whip Light as Air Finish, and it's fragrance free. I like that. And the Olay Eyes Deep Hydrating Eye Gel. So yeah, this video was kind of a bummer. That is not usually the way I like to do my videos. I try to be a very positive, upbeat person. I just am very underwhelmed with Play the last 2 months, and I don't know if I'm the only one that feels that way. And this was a gift, so I'm not looking a gift horse in the mouth or anything like that. I swear I'm not. I'm underwhelmed. I'm just underwhelmed. I know Play can do better. I've seen them do better. And yeah, it's just kind of a lackluster end of 2018 and beginning of 2019. I really hope February's better because I have gotten some amazing things in Play. It just hasn't been for the last couple of months. So here's to hoping that February is much better. I'm curious to know what you guys got in your box. I hope you guys like your boxes better than I like my box this month. And hopefully we'll all get an amazing box in February. Let me know in the comments what you got because I'm curious, or if you have a video on it, let me know and I'll come check it out and probably be jealous. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.